Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's April 26th, Thursday morning. The USDA just released their weekly export data, and 826,000 tons of corn sold. Trade was looking for 800 to a million, so in line there. Soybean total export sales 1.409 million metric tons. That was above trade expectations. They were looking for anywhere from 900 to 1.25, and in wheat above the expectations as well, 744,000 tons sold. Some other news that we're dealing with here and looking at when you're trying to decide where this corn market might go. We had the ethanol production numbers out yesterday, showed that we were 2% below last year. However, Rich Nelson here at Allendale did some work and says that we need to average for the balance of this marketing year through August 31st about 4% less ethanol production in order to meet the USDA's projections. So at this current rate, you have to expect that we're going to be higher than the USDA's target that they set for corn going into ethanol, which certainly should tighten up the ending stocks that we are projecting for this year. Weather conditions this next weekend will bring some various weather conditions throughout the Corn Belt. The models now are moving a lot of the cold or below normal temperatures that we were looking for earlier in the week. They're moving that to the north to stay north of I-80. However, there is some actual snow in the forecast for parts of northern Iowa, Wisconsin, northern Illinois, and nothing that will be too severe as far as hurting crops that are in the ground, but certainly will slow down planting progress for a little bit. This system that's moving through over the next 10 days should drop some well-needed moisture, anywhere from 1 inch to 2 inches across the Midwest. That'll slow down planting progress, but it'll also benefit the crop that is in the ground and growing. After this system moves through, certainly some more seasonal warmer temperatures looking forward to. The South American weather still concerned, still being talked about. The frost, the cold temperatures we've seen down there this week. How much damage did it actually have on the growing soybean crop? And that is a positive that's certainly supporting soybeans at this time. In the livestock trade, we've got cutout values higher. Yesterday, again, choice up 55 cents. That puts choice up $13.80 over the last 2 weeks, or about an 8% increase. Select was up 13 cents as well yesterday. Pork cutouts, however, were down 75 cents yesterday. We just cannot seem to get this pork to move, and which we need to in order to get this seasonal rally that normally happens. The poultry and chick placements have been lower here every month. We're averaging about, on the poultry production side, anywhere from 4 to 6% below a year ago level. So that's providing some support, and potentially we'll see some increase in demand, especially as we move into the cookout season. With weekends like we've got ahead of us, though, certainly not going to get started here very soon. The cash cattle did trade yesterday, very light amounts in Texas and Kansas. Reported a few thousand head sold at 118, 119. Most offers today are at 122. Bids are at 119 from the packer here this morning. We'll see how that standoff develops as we go through the day. Technically, the futures market did rebound yesterday. We're higher here this morning. You'd have to call the market anywhere from 20 to 40 higher, as the news is positive. Pork, on the other hand, lower here in the futures market overnight, and we need to see some strength in the cattle market. The number that we're looking at in the June contract, if we can get above this 114 and close above there, certainly give us some hope and that this market can and has seen its seasonal bottom. So a lot of things going on, a lot of reasons to stay in touch with Allendale's research. You can get in touch with us here at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.